Hey guys, Mitch from Redwater Dodge here. Many people ask us, why does the Ram 1500 air suspension sag in the winter? First things first, cold air shrinks. When temperatures drop, air inside your suspension contracts, pressure drops, and the truck can sag, sometimes unevenly. Add in aging rubber airbags, moisture in the system, or tiny leaks, and winter just exposes what summer hides. Is air suspension failure common in cold climates? Short answer, it's more common in cold climates than warm ones, especially past warranty. Alberta winters are brutal. Extreme cold, ice buildup, salt and grime. All of that stresses airlines, seals, sensors, and valves. Air suspension isn't bad, it just hates minus 30. Can I disable air suspension in winter? Sort of, but not completely. You can turn off auto leveling, avoid height changes unless necessary, and let it stay at one ride height. What you can't do is fully shut it down without aftermarket modifications or risking warning lights. The goal in winter is less movement, less cycling, because cycling is what kills compressors. Brake. Does cold weather damage air suspension compressors? Yes, and this is the expensive part. In cold weather, compressors work harder, moisture can freeze internally. Repeat cycling causes premature failure. A struggling airbag makes the compressor run more, and that's how a small issue turns into a four-figure repair bill. Is coil suspension better for Alberta winters? For reliability, honestly, yes. Coil suspension doesn't care about temperature, has fewer failure points, is cheaper long-term. Air suspension is awesome for ride quality and leveling, but if you plan to keep your truck long-term in Alberta, coils are usually the set-it-and-forget-it option. If your Ram's air suspension sags in the winter, it's not broken, it's just cold, stressed, and telling you something. You don't have to panic, but you do want to stay ahead of it. Alberta winters don't mess around, and your air suspension feels every degree. Thank you.
Phone number?
780-942-3629.